Hey guys, what is up? Just coming back again with another trade recap for August 22nd, 2023. And today I had a few on my watch list leading into the open. I refined it down to three. In particular, I was short biased based on what the SPY looked like over the last few days. You can see that on the daily, it was extended and definitely due for a pullback, and that's what happened. So I was expecting it to hit this moving average, hit the 9, and then bounce and continue down. And so I had WFC. What did I have? Okay, let's see. INTC, I believe, was a gapper, and it did coincide with the bottom of a weekly range. And I was looking to take this as a short, and it was just under R3, and this one popped. WFC would have worked beautifully, and I missed the entry, and I ended up taking VIPs as a short. What I saw on this was a weekly level that I have in TradingView, and I noticed this on my PM prep, and I have it marked. And I've traded this before in the past, and it seems to interact rather well with this weekly level. And so what I saw in the morning was it formed a small range, and it hovered right underneath that level. And you can see that it threw some volume and rejected, and I shorted. It was rather tight stop, 5 cents or 6 cents, and I rode it all the way down to with this level here. I believe it coincided with the 60-minute level, and I partialed all the way down. If you're looking at the level 2 or tape, you could see that right off the bat when it did open on the first minute that there was a bunch of bids to the downside. And I was watching book map as well, and I used the CVD, which is the cumulative volume delta, and you can see it. And if you spend enough time with it, you can see when the larger orders come in on the tape. It's a little widget that you can pull off and see while they're happening simultaneously. So that builds my confidence again with over time. And trading different strategies, trends, or reversals, you start to become familiar with how the price action moves. So what I was looking for was 3 candles. This was quite extended off the open. It flushed down again, like I partialed all the way down, exiting all out right here. And I was looking for this because, again, I was short biased to come back, pull back, particularly on the 5-minute, and peg the moving average and then continue its way down like a reverse ABCD. It didn't give me another entry that I liked, and I was waiting for this to see what it did around PDC. And I got in a little bit late here, but I thought, okay, I'm going to enter here. And if it breaks this level rather quickly, I can see if I can squeeze another 1.5 or 2 out of it. And I've adopted the shot clock that SMB uses. And when it came down to this level again here, it just kind of hung out there for a minute or two, a few seconds, and hung out. And I didn't see any push. I didn't see any momentum. So I partialed as it broke and then just all out here. This has happened in the past where I'm up, few R for the day. I'm green. And because of greed, I will get back in or try and take too many trades, erasing everything for the day. So it was hard because I was done by 10 o'clock, 9:50, and I wanted to take more. So again, like I learned from the past, once you hit your target for the day, just call it a day. I would consider a reversal on the 15 minutes. So what I really like is actually set up on VIPs here for a turn too. I would look for like 2 or 3 candles extended on the 15 with some kind of nice volume push, again with like a hammer or a upside down hammer or a shooting star, and nothing else came up. So I just reserved the rest of the day to do a recap YouTube video, which helps. It helps. It's like verbally journaling and or working on other aspects of the business, whether it's social, blog, mentoring. And yeah, that would be it for the day. So it's 1 trade, or technically 2 trades, and I'm done. So now I'll just go through the list today, see what kind of moved, and look at some of the larger time frames, see if there's something I can add to my watch list, and take it from there. If anybody has any questions, please comment below or shoot me a DM, email, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. And I don't know, for those of you that don't know, I did start doing mentoring. So if you have any questions or maybe are interested in doing a free 30-minute session with me, the info again is in my description. And that is it. I hope everybody had a great trading day, and I'll see you soon.